If your Facebook account was hacked, or you're scared it might be, you're not alone. Every day, thousands of Facebook accounts are taken over, and most people don't even realize how it happened. In this video, I'll break down exactly how hackers hack Facebook accounts, the warning signs you've been hacked, step-by-step help to recover your account, and how to stop it from ever happening again. All right, let's get into it. Most Facebook hacks happen in 4 main ways. Number 1, phishing links. You get a message that looks legit. Your account will be disabled, someone tried to log in, or copyright violation warning. You click the link, enter your login details, and boom, you just handed your account to a hacker. Number 2, fake apps and extensions. Some browser extensions or apps secretly steal login cookies or passwords. Once installed, hackers don't even need your password, they're already in. Number 3, malware on your device. If your phone or computer is infected, keystrokes can be logged, saved passwords can be stolen, sessions can be hijacked, and this is one of the most overlooked causes. And number 4, reused passwords. If you use the same password on another site that had a data breach, hackers will often try it on Facebook, and sadly, it often works. Watch out for these red flags: password or email changed, posts or messages you didn't send, friends getting scam messages from you, you're suddenly locked out of your account. If you notice any of these, act fast. Here's what to do immediately. Step number 1, go to Facebook's recovery page. Search facebook.com/hacked. Follow the prompts and report that your account was compromised. Step number 2, secure your email. If hackers control your email, they control everything. Change your email password. Enable 2-factor authentication. Check for forwarding rules. Step number 3, scan your device. This step is critical. If malware caused the hack, Facebook recovery won't help unless the threat is removed. Use a trusted tool like TotalAV to scan for malware and spyware, remove hidden threats, block future phishing attempts. And step number 4, reset passwords everywhere. Start with Facebook, email, any accounts using the same password, and use unique passwords from now on. To stay protected, enable 2-factor authentication on Facebook. Never click login links from messages. Avoid unknown extensions or apps. Use real-time malware protection. This is where TotalAV helps long-term. It blocks malicious links, scans downloads, and protects your device before damage happens. Prevention is always easier than recovery. If your Facebook has been hacked, don't panic. It is recoverable if you act quickly. Check the description of this video for helpful links, including account recovery and security tools. If this video has helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.